Hi guys, it's Laura from the Beauty Disclosure here, and I've been testing out a few products from the Boots own skincare range, and one of my favourites is the Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Mask. I'm a huge fan of vitamin C products. I like the fact that it brightens your skin and evens out your skin tone. It's also helped me over the years with any breakouts that I've had as well. Now, Jenna goes more into detail in one of her videos about what vitamin C does for your skin, so make sure you check it out. She's the sciencey one behind it all. So this vitamin C brightening sleeping mask promises to brighten your skin tone within 14 days, and it's a total bargain at £4 as well. So I just got this at my local Boots on the high street, so it's total bargain. Now it's got a lovely light gel texture and it absorbs really easily into the skin. It's really quick to use. So what you do is you apply it after your serum at night time. Now I've been using it alongside the Revolution Vitamin C serum and I've had great results already. So you pop your serum on and then you pop the sleeping mask on. You just put a light layer all over your face and let it sink in, and it happens really fast. And then you just leave it on overnight, rinse it off in the morning, and you're good to go. It's got a lovely citrusy smell. It's nice and light, nothing too heavy. And yeah, it's just one of my favourite products, so I'd fully recommend it. Give it a go. Thanks, guys.